video. Today we are going to be playing these from again. We also have Parker. Parker, say hi.
Hi.
And by the way, his name in Roblox is Violet Puppy, so this just to give you a quick heads up. Also Onyx has the trading. This sticker is saying be equipped, but it's still pretty cool. He just did it like 2 seconds ago. I'm not even joking. I'm trading Parker. Parker, this is a W trade. No, I'm in this one.
Anything else?
And that's like literally all I have.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this thing later? Oh no, it's not.
I'll do this video and yes.
It says unbelievable. Alright, ready?
Yeah, no, fine.
Because you should have gone to the sticker. Oh no, do you need the beekeeper mask or whatever?
Yeah.
Once you get that, you'll get it. Okay.
Also guys, this is my hive. I got in a mythic bee. I upgraded my pirate bee, and I am trying to get a gifted pirate bee, guys. So, and I get it.
Don't get burned.
Also guys, this is a sprout. Look at the sprout, guys. Huh?
Best here. It's not that hard to get a silver after you crafted the silver. Get a silver even to get them. You have 5 very fine. You should use diamond eggs only after you crafted the diamond map.
I'm trying to learn how you like claim it.
I think you have to go to your hive or whatever.
Ned per guest. Oh! Stickers.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's Fem2 the Hive, where we're in these sticker. Then you can actually put skins as well, all in 10k capacity, never mind it's not. So that's like 270 different stickers you can put inside of the sticker stacker, but you can't put more than one in. And there is also a cooldown for this. Whenever you put in a sticker, you have to wait however much time it actually says. So for me, for example, I basically have to wait like 25 minutes for this to even end for me to put a different sticker inside. And you do actually...
You're trying to get the best coconut like equipment thing, and if whoever wins gets 1,500 Robux. So that'd be great. Also guys, I'm giving away one of my e-socks. So if you guys want to try to get one of my e-socks and steal a Rainrot, just comment on any video, any of my bee swarmers, only my bee swarmers, any of my bee swarmers, and I will put you in the random deal, which will pick a random person. Subscribe, like the video, and I'm gonna go in the real world. Just tell me when it's low, okay? Because I can just come back. Million, you mean? Which is gonna take a while. Okay. See that guy? Okay. I got a green hive. I got a green hive skin, and I used it on the sticker thing over there. And yeah, I don't know how you become how you get a blue one. Oh, what the lag? Also guys, I got some nice good gear, and I'm gonna probably get more gear. Also guys, type in any of my videos, type a computer logo if I should use macro to defeat Parker in the challenge, or type a fist bump. Just type any hand emoji, so then you're on Parker's team. Of me.
Typing macro chat or typing grind chat?
If it's macro, it's for me. If it's grind, it's for Parker.
I mean, Luke gets the macro. Since I can't macro, only Luke gets the macro. So I'm not really here.
Yeah.
You guys get to decide if Luke gets the macro or not. at 400,000. I don't know. I need to go back to grinding quests.
Oh guys, this is macro by the way. Look how complicated this is. It looks complicated, but it's very easy. I have It's only for Beast Wars, sadly. I wish it was for other games because that would be nice. No, you cannot. Only Beast Wars. This is just what it is. What? In places like no, you can only macro a Beast Wars. Yeah. No, it's Tiny Task.
Yeah, but it's still the thing.
No.
No macroing.
No. Guys, if you think Tiny Task is macro, basically, type
Does stuff for you. It literally does stuff for you.
yeah, and it walks around. Tiny Task barely does that, but macro doesn't do that. It's weird.
Did you join the Discord?
Yeah. I can literally put Discord up right now if I want. I also got Discord by the way. Also guys, I got the 30 Beeria if you guys haven't seen me recently. And I also got the Dynamic Mountain there, don't have to tell me. What are those? Oh, those are Robo Passes. What am I on?
But what Sprout appeared?
Huh?
That's just a
Wait,
normal Sprout.
how do you do this one? Oh, that good. How do you? No, whatever. I think I have to go claim my strawberries. I think. Claim.
You said about renaming your cup, buddy, dude.
That's fine.
So I want to rename mine.
Buddy, I'm in Beast Wars now.
What should I name mine, dude?
Huh? It's not saved. It's literally not saved. Okay. Access a club console by clicking on the green button. Green button. Oh, why do I do it? Alright, so go on the settings and then do you see the thing called Open Cub Console?
Oh, yeah.
And click it in. Just click the name.
What? I wanna come stand.
Bam. Looky dookie. That's my cup. Where's my cup? Looky dookie, let's go. Oh yeah, that's tough. Also guys, I have to see this every video, I'm sorry, but at 100 subscribers, I am going to sell one of my rarest Rayonots in the game, and actually no, I'm going to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'm going to do my biggest giveaway ever, and I will attempt to do a backflip, and I'll post a video about it, and I'll do a face reveal at 100 subscribers. My dog, I'll do a dog face reveal at 150. So yeah.
Do a dog face reveal at 100 and then,
No, I don't want to do it at the same time. I'm doing that at 115. Also, I haven't been posting lately because I haven't been posting lately because I was just bored, just sleeping and just grinding this game. So I'm gonna probably post 1 or 2 videos every day, not 3 or 4 videos a month. So I'm gonna Parker, should I do?
brown cub. I want a brown cub.
Oh, you should do brown bear quests like a lot, like 300.
I know.
Like 300 of them.
300 of them. So you get like this.
Oh, this is me. Wait, I got what's level 1? 1,000 health? Easy.
No.
I'm telling you, it's 40 dead. You got it right?
No, because I didn't do damage to it, dude.
It's only 1 stinger though.
Still a stinger.
Oh, the
Use
scoop,
the
bro.
man. Why is there a sprout here? What? Tiny Papa Sprout. Do you want us to pop Sprout somewhere? We told to play more Sprouts. We can play more. You can type that.
No.
I'm gonna play Sprout.
Yo, I wonder who put a spout here.
I wonder who put a Sprout here, dude.
I wonder.
How many did you have? Wait, oh, no.
Why did you say it like that? Family friendly, bro. Oh, the bubble guy's awake.
What?
The bubble guy's awake.
What bubble guy?
Oh, he was just awake. The you don't know him.
The bubble one?
Yeah, he was awake.
Can we like do a Sprout farm with pineapple? Jump so hard, you go because
I just go. Hey, look, I got a diamond from a freaking beetle.
that's pretty nice. Okay, dude. A star.
Alright, come here!
Party.
Wait, do you have a coconut?
Yeah.
They're so rare, actually.
Dude, I need more micro-converters so I can actually play full plays. And I also need more honeysuckles, so I need a full. Oh, wait, let's look at more Mondo chicks. Commander chicks.
Oh, yeah! You're right, you're right. I'm gonna do this.
And also, I need a
Blackbird's tile.
Come on.
Whoa! Come back up. There's something. Black Bear's tile.
Oh yeah, that's just for like a code. Come on, we gotta do somewhere.
Wait, that's a code?
No, it's not a code.
Wait, are you able to kill a Turtle Bear? Oh, I died.
I might be. I don't know.
I'm gonna go do the commander chick.
That's it.
What's the
Wait, no,
commander?
we should do it together. Because if we do it together, then we can help kill each other.
This is actually fun. Commander, where are you coming? Ah! Look here, 10,000 health!
10,000.
So where are my bees, bro? Where are my bees? Tomato chick.
What's your commander chip level? Level 5.
Where?
Why those are level 5?
Yo, where are my bees, bro?
Come back here, dude. Just come back.
I'm coming.
Your house. Starting my commander chick.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna kill Commander Chicken. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. Hold on, bees. No, I died. And I'm gonna die again.
Dude, you gotta go back. You gotta wait till they get back to your heart. How are you blocking me? Please, guys, just kill him already. This is the commander chicken. The literal chicken. The chicken that does this.
I'm dying every time!
How? Dude, it's not that hard. It's literally just parkour.
I'm not good at parkour. That's the thing. I'm using oil. I'm using baby's oil.
How in the world like die?
I don't know.
You don't get here before my commando chick dies, then I'm not gonna help you with your own commando chick.
Oh, 5 minutes, bro. Holy shit, doodle.
Cut you on that.
Oh,
guys, kill this one. Guys, no, guys, one more. They're targeting the wrong one. Yes. There, this is clean. Wow. My commander takes that.
Can you help me?
Alright, look at my corporate name.
Ah! How much damage did it do? Oh, not that much. Precise? Oh, yeah. It doesn't even do that much damage. Okay, wait, hopefully. You saw that first one.
Yeah, why not?
Hey, don't honey.
Also a pretty good way to get your stuff, you know? Alright, that's gonna be it, right?
I think that is gonna be it, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Have a great day and look out.